Hello, my little fellow cooks. I am Telmo.
And I'm Tula.
We are the Little Cooks. Today, we're going to make a submarine with lentils.
No, Telmo. A sandwich with anchovies and tomatoes.
That's right, a sandwich with anchovies and cream.
No, Telmo. We're going to make a sandwich with anchovies and tomato.
That's it. And a dinosaur strawberry milkshake.
No, just a strawberry shake.
That's what I just finished saying.
Okay. And the ingredients we'll need for this sandwich are a few slices of bread,
Sliced tomatoes.
anchovy fillets,
And for the super strawberry shake, sugar.
yogurt,
Strawberry ice cream.
powdered vanilla,
Lemon juice.
orange juice,
Lemon shaving.
ice cubes.
And strawberries.
Great, now we have everything. Let's make the anchovy sandwich.
Right, that's very easy. We grab a slice of bread. And when we have the slice of bread on the plate... just a second, Tula. I haven't finished talking about the bread.
All right, what else did you want to say about it?
The bread is so wonderful. So white.
Come on now, Telmo.
To bread.
Oy.
Oh, wonderful bread, white and so pure and full of softer bread.
You're on your own. I'll start putting on the anchovies.
All right.
My little cooks, these little fish are delicious.
If you ask me, they're a little salty.
That's true. They're salty little fish.
And of course, they are called anchovies.
And they're prepared with a lot of salt.
And that's why our grown-up washed the anchovies with water before we got started.
All right, we put about 4 anchovy fillets on the bread.
It's delicious.
And now we add 2 tomato slices.
Tomatoes so good.
Now we just need to cover the tomato and the anchovies.
With another slice of bread.
That's it.
Ready. My first anchovy and tomato sandwich.
And mine too. Anchovies, anchovies, anchovies over here.
Anchovies, anchovies, anchovies over here.
Anchovies,
Anchovies.
anchovies,
Anchovies.
anchovies.
Now let's eat.
Hold on, Telmo.
What were you saying, Tula?
We still need to make the strawberry shake.
Then let's do it.
We've put 4 cups of strawberries, which Telmo already washed. So first we're going to add 4 tablespoons of sugar over the strawberries.
By the way, Tula, the sandwich is, delicious.
Yes, I already saw that. We add 2 scoops of strawberry ice cream.
I'll add the yogurt.
And I'll add the half of a teaspoon of vanilla.
What does vanilla taste like?
Like vanilla. What else would it taste like?
Pepper!
No, not like pepper.
Yes!
No!
Yes!
Telmo!
All right.
Now we add some lemon juice and orange juice.
And shavings from another lemon.
And, oh yeah, 6 ice cubes.
And where are the ice cubes?
They're in the freezer.
All right.
We we add the ice cubes.
All right.
And now we ask our grown-up to help us with the blender. Grown-up!
Can you help us with the blender to blend our strawberry shake, please? Me! I want to press the button!
And while our grown-up blends up our delicious strawberry shake, we'll go over the ingredients that we've used today. Ingredients to make an anchovy and tomato sandwich. 2 slices of bread, 2 slices of ripe tomato, 4 anchovy fillets without oil. Ingredients to make a strawberry milkshake. 4 tablespoons of sugar, 2 scoops of strawberry ice cream, 1 natural yogurt, a half teaspoon of vanilla, lemon juice, orange juice, lemon shavings, 6 ice cubes, and 4 cups of strawberries.
Oh man, I'm starving.
That's because you ate your sandwich before.
Well, I'm gonna make another one.
Telmo, we need to say goodbye now.
I'm busy, Tula. Say goodbye to our friends.
All right. Goodbye, my little cooks. Until next time. Mwah, mwah.